English you can live in. Delivered care. I order prescriptions through my phone. Pharmacy apps bring meds to home. Notifications show status fast. Delivery alerts make waiting past. I track the route of my package now. Contactless drop. I take a bow. Refills pop up in reminders bright. I plan ahead to avoid a plight. Digital pharmacy makes life easy. No long lines. No need to be queasy. Medicine comes safe to my door. Managing health is less a chore. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.